The release date for the cheap iPhone 9, SE2, iPhone SE2 Plus has been announced. Apple blogger Jon Poser has announced the release date of the iPhone SE2. The smartphone will be released in April 2020, writes Poser on Twitter. He said that on March 30th, Apple's top executives held a private meeting to discuss the launch of the cheap iPhone 9, SE2, which will be the successor to SE. According to him, the company plans to show a new smartphone on April 15th and start shipping devices to stores on April 22nd. The devices will be on sale by the end of the month. The blogger said that these terms can be adjusted due to the situation with the pandemic coronavirus. Jon Poser also said that Apple would send iMac computers to its employees so they could process customer orders remotely. Apple's new affordable iPhone 9, SE2 smartphone was to replace the iPhone SE and other outdated devices in the company's lineup. The smartphone will look like an iPhone 8, but will receive a new iron, 4.7-inch IPS screen, A13 chip, 3 GB of RAM, single camera. The estimated cost of the gadget is $400. According to earlier rumors, Apple is planning to release a budget smartphone iPhone 9, SE2 March 31st and sell the device in early April. In mid-March, information emerged that the company had cancelled the launch of a new SE series device due to a coronavirus pandemic.